The better your email look, the more chances you have to increase sales. Today we set up WooCommerce email notifications, added a logo, updated colors, and made your template professional. Hi there, in this video we are going to set up the WooCommerce email options for our online store. This is super important because emails are the main way your website communicates with you and your customers. So let's get started. When you open the email settings in WooCommerce, you will see a list of different email notifications. By default, your admin email address is already added here. But if you want to change it, it's very simple. Just click Manage and add your new email address. After that, scroll down and you will see some basic settings. First, add your website title. Then in the email address field, type the email where you want to receive orders. It's better to use the same email you have added in your admin panel. Next, upload your website logo. This will make your email template look professional. You can also adjust the logo size if you are wondering how it will look. Just scroll down the preview section and check both the desktop and mobile preview. If the logo is not in the center, no problem, scroll up, go to header alignment and set it to center. Now it looks much better. You can also change the font, but I usually leave it as it is. Then there is the footer title option. Remove the default text and add your shop's title. Now for colors. First there is the accent color. Let's make it blue for example. Scroll down and you will see updated in the preview. You can also change the background color and other colors like heading and text. Pick the ones that match your brand. Finally, there is the email preview section. Here you can check how your email will look for different actions like order placed, order received, conceive, and so and so. Once you are happy with everything, don't forget to click Save Changes. And that's it. A professional email template makes your store look trustworthy and keeps customers coming back. The better your email look, the more chances you have to increase sales. Today we set up WooCommerce email notifications, added a logo, updated colors, and made your template professional. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel.